Kevin? Kevin?
Hello. This is one of the handiest things I think I've ever made in this shop. And most people see it and they don't even think about it. What is it? Well, it's a shield. It's an arc shield. Instead of having a big welding curtain hung up, having some kind of wall out there somewhere to protect other people who may wander into this area. Because I do have a tenant. He also works in this area. So rather than him having to look, get that arc light in the side of his eye or right at him if he's working over there just a little bit, I just bent up a little shield. And it works really darn well. It blocks the wind. If I've got the doors open, if I've got the the evaporative cooler running, it can block the breeze from that so I can still weld safely. If I've got the big doors open back behind you and I want, and I look up with my helmet down, well, it's so light outside, my helmet goes dark. Well, this will stop that. Put this up, I have a nice little cocoon I can work inside of. And it's safer for people around me. It's obviously a female because it had a baby one day. I was doing a little tiny TIG job and I just figured, well, let me just bend up another little tiny one for this little tiny job back in here. Works great. I can move it around, I can see around, I can see what's going on, I can have a conversation with somebody. Just a handy, quick little easy tool. And it just sits in the corner, you just throw it under the bench. It's always where you need it most of the time. You guys working by yourself, somebody wanders into your shop, you should really have one of these where you can set it up to protect other people. So I hope that helps make your life a little bit easier, not only for yourself, but anybody who may wander through your workspace. Protects your eyes, protects their eyes. It's all a good thing. So reach down there and hit that subscribe button for me. Don't forget the notification bell up there, and I'll see you next time. I use the crap out of this.